Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the TIGERXBANG Inflatable Kayak, a standout choice for anyone seeking the best kayak with an impressive weight capacity of 500 pounds. Whether you're a beginner, an angler, or simply someone who enjoys leisurely paddling, this kayak offers stability, comfort, and convenience all in one package. The TIGERXBANG kayak measures 10.2 feet in length, 35 inches wide, and 8 inches in height, creating a stable and spacious platform ideal for calm or slow-flowing waters. This width is particularly beneficial, providing a solid base that helps prevent tipping and allows for easy body movement while on the water. Its generous cockpit size makes entry and exit effortless, enhancing the overall user experience, especially for those who are new to kayaking. One of the key highlights of this kayak is its portable design. It comes equipped with practical features such as baggage straps on both the bow and stern, allowing you to securely store backpacks and other gear. A paddle holder on the side is a clever addition that makes carrying your paddle easy when you're on the move or want to keep your hands free. For fishing enthusiasts, the kayak also includes a dedicated fish rod holder, enriching your touring and fishing adventures by giving you more flexibility and comfort. The materials used in this kayak are thoughtfully chosen to balance durability with portability. Constructed from double-sided sandwich fabric with high-density drop stitches and reinforced with a layered PVC outer shell, the kayak is built to be tough and resilient. Despite its sturdy build, it weighs just over 11 kilograms, making it easy to transport and handle whether you're heading to a lake, river, or calm sea. Comfort is another focus in the design of this kayak. It comes with a detachable seat that offers good back support and can be removed if you prefer sitting directly on the kayak surface. The seat lets you sit back and relax, which is especially appreciated during longer paddling sessions or while waiting for a fish to bite. Alongside this, a removable center fin improves directional control and helps maintain stability, making it easier to steer and navigate the water. The kayak package is comprehensive, including everything you need for a smooth start on the water. Alongside the kayak itself, you receive an adjustable aluminum oar, a robust backpack for easy carrying and storage, and a hand pump with a digital pressure gauge to ensure your kayak is inflated to the perfect firmness. Also included is a repair kit, which comes without glue but is handy for quick fixes on the go. Practicality is enhanced by features such as an ultra-tough handle on the kayak, which aids in easy carrying and maneuvering when getting in and out of the water. There's also a sports camera mount on the front, enabling you to capture your adventures without the need for additional equipment. This thoughtful detail appeals to outdoor enthusiasts who want to record their kayaking journeys or fishing trips. Overall, the TIGERXBANG Inflatable Kayak caters well to a variety of users. Its weight capacity of 500 pounds means it can comfortably accommodate 2 young adults or a single heavier user, making it versatile for solo trips or outings with a friend or child. Its stability and comfort make it especially suited for beginners or those who prioritize a relaxing experience over speed. In summary, if you are looking for an inflatable kayak that offers great weight capacity, durability, portability, and user-friendly features, the TIGERXBANG kayak is a strong contender. It's well designed for recreational kayaking, fishing, and touring on calm waters, delivering a solid blend of performance and convenience. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time on the water.